Welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in today. Where we left you last was a countertop filled with lint. A lot has happened since we've last seen you. We thought that we could kind of scuff off that lint and apply another clear coat. That did not go well. The clear coat paint that we used actually reacted in a way where it left what I'm going to call a snake skin sort of texture all over the countertop. So we then had to sand it all down to the bare minimum again and start all over. So we're not loving the countertop process that we're having to deal with at this particular moment. But thanks to Nikita, she came in and she came up with a great idea, and we hand painted this and rolled it on. And so far it looks like it's going to hold up. We just have to add another clear coat that hopefully will not react the way the last one did to get this guy completed.
On a brighter note, we have actually started the floors and they look fantastic. We have been held up with a couple hiccups, so we aren't where we wanted to be with the project yet, but with the renovation project, that's kind of to be expected. We are hoping to have carpet in by the end of the week and the flooring completely done, so we can now move on to the more exciting things and kind of rebuild the trailer again.
So while we were waiting for flooring to get started and the countertop painting to dry, we've been adding little features here and there. As you can see, our new dinette light has now been installed, which we are in love with. It's black on the outside and it's got like a gold leaf sort of texture on the inside, which goes really well with the gold hardware that we've added to the unit. We've started adding little pieces back in, like the speakers and some of the lights that we had taken out during the demolition part of the unit. We also have gone along and painted all of the outlets. We didn't love the sort of yellow tinge outdated look that they had. So just coming in with a nice can of spray paint, just touching it up, really brings new life to all those little features where you don't actually have to spend the money to replace them.
Our next video is actually going to be a Q&A on the processes that we've gone through with the trailer. So if you do have any questions or if you want some information about what we've done, leave the comments below.
And hopefully we'll have a few more things that we can show you, maybe a little bit more wallpaper, completed countertops, some of the appliances back in, just so it's more looking like a completed unit. So as always, stay tuned.